Good morning. I kind of had a question with regards to the pure mind and merit. So when we say we want to make merit, it's kind of like a desire to do good. So how does that work with the pure mind? Like, does the pure mind just automatically do good? Or like, I was wondering now with the pure mind, how does that connect with making merit? That means to do good, to get ping and that kind of thing. So when we say we're making merit, it kind of implies that we have a sense of self. So when it comes to the, like, that is that grabbing nature, right? If we want to do some good, we have to grab and kind of do it. So how does the pure mind kind of make merit, if that makes sense?
พอดีจะสอบถามว่าจริงๆเนี่ยถ้าพูดว่าใจที่แท้จริงเนี่ยเป็นกุศลในตัวอยู่แล้วแต่การที่เราจะมามุ่งทำกุศลสักอย่างหนึ่งเพื่อที่จะทำอะไรเนี่ยมันเหมือนกับเราเป็นผู้ตั้งใจจะทำสิ่งนั้นแล้วพอเราได้ฟังเรื่องนี้เนี่ยมันก็เลยทำให้รู้สึกงงว่าการทำกุศลที่แท้จริงคืออะไรค่ะ
Okay, then I will give an answer to that question first. So the Buddha said the cause of suffering is attachment, and eventually you should go beyond merit and demerit. Because if you're still attached to merit, this will lead like to a good future rebirth, and this will still hold you in the cycle of birth and death. So this is not the way to Nibbana, that's not Nibbana. So that leads only like to good merit, good rebirth, but there is still attachment. So your question between merit is just a sankhara, it's just like a phenomena which arises and passes in your mind, just an action, a good action which leads good results. But this is obviously not the pure mind, because these are two different natures. Like one is action and results, like a reaction, and the other thing is the pure mind, in which the action and reaction happens. So if you are still attached to making merit, well, then you're reborn because of that attachment. But to go beyond beyond birth and death, like what the Buddha said, I'm not born anymore, or I will not be born anymore. For this you have to see, well, this merit or this intention to make merit, or this attachment, like to grab the idea of making merit and follow the idea to making merit, this is the very thing which causes birth. So this is the very thing which will cause that this ignorance keeps on going. See that this intention to make merit arises and passes. You can follow it, means like you can put it into action or not, there's no problem. But the important thing is not to attach to it. So if you see it, it's just like a phenomenon which arises and passes, then you are beyond merit even, beyond goodness, good and bad. Your question was like, how about the pure mind? Can it automatically make merit? Of course, because if you see things just arising and passing and you not take ownership, then there is no ignorance. If there's no ignorance, there is no greed and hatred. And so in each and every moment, you generate the merit of there's no ignorance, no greed and hatred. In each and every moment, this is like the highest merit which you can produce. Because the not doing any action out of ignorance, out of greed, out of hatred, there's nothing higher than that, because that's what like the Buddha does. He's not like building pagodas or giving food to poor people or this or that, but in each and every moment there is no ignorance, there's no greed, there's no hatred, and there's just like Dhamma, and he's just teaching what he has seen, what he has discovered, how things are, and explain to others that people realize the same truth. And there's no higher merit than that. Like the Buddha said, to teach Dhamma, there's no higher merit than teaching Dhamma. And so that's how you can say, is there merit if you just like in the state of pure mind and not attached to something? Yes, that's the ultimate. There's nothing higher than that. Because right now there's no suffering. You not generate for yourself suffering, you not generate suffering for someone else. What higher merit is there? There's nothing more than that. And whatever you're doing, it will lead never to any suffering. So basically whatever you do is merit. Whatever you do leads to happiness. Whatever you speak, do, think, will never lead like to suffering, never leads to any demerit. So this is like the automatic merit making without actively having to do anything. It's just like automatic. It's just like the natural state. Actually, by nature, you generate merit. You not have to do it. Is it clear? Or?
Very clear. Thank you so much.
I would like to give you a blessing. Could you please receive a blessing, please?
ขอคุณพระและบุญบารมีที่ทุกท่านได้กระทำมาแล้วทั้งหมดจงรวมเป็นตบะเดชะพละปัจจัยโดยบันดาลให้ทุกท่านรู้แจ้งในธรรมธรรมเข้าถึงใจใจเป็นธรรมพ้นทุกข์โดยถาวรที่เชิญตั้งแต่บัดนี้เป็นต้นไปด้วยเทอญ